Welcome back, my friends. I hope you're all well out there. Here is something, it's a little bit of a blast from the past. A lot of you collectors out there will know this one probably. Will say, oh yeah, whatever. But I like these oldies but goodies. They're fun. All right, here we go. Brums. It's never too cold for ice cream. Ooh, what do you think, Gidget? What do you think? Is that exciting? Is that a snow cone? Is that a snow cone? Hi, girl. What's she doing? She's always helpful. Huh? Aren't you helpful? Look, well, you got an eye booger. Come here. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. I know. There you go. All right. We're going to put this to the side for later, okay? Okay? You can smell it. Does it pass your inspection? Does it pass your inspection? Huh? Gidget. Does it? Good girl. All right. So, this gives it away. Come on. What do you think? That wonderful brown, beige, gold plaid. Yeah, here's the bottom. It's not that bad. I'm not seeing, it's a little tiny of a wear spot. But it's looking in pretty good shape. Uses type A bags. How's the zipper? Good. All right. So far, so good. Here we have part of the wand, or handle, if you will, which has wear marks on it. But that's okay. As we all get older, we have wear marks on us as well. Okay, here's the rest of the handle. So if any of you out there have this vacuum, please put it in the comment section below and let me know about it. Maybe where did you get it? Do you still have it? Do you like it? You know, all that good stuff. Hoover convertible on-off switch. Handle's in really good condition. Very nice. There's the plug at the end. It goes down inside to the motor. There's the, at least they remember to give me the screws for it. Let's check out the cable here while we're at this end. Looks original, definitely. Oh, so we do have a split there. Now it's just from the casing, it's not all the way down. Oh, there's another one, so that's two splits. So that's two big splits in there. But we'll check that out, and I'll go back to the listing. I don't remember that being on there, but could be wrong. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Oh, heavy, heavy, heavy. Fresh Market, Farm Fresh Market. I've never heard of this company. Any of you guys know this company? I want to go. They've got ice cream, so I want to go. All right, let me shove all this back in so we can get to the main unit. Ooh, it's exciting, it's exciting. So why I picked this one, because one, I don't have this in my collection, but my aunt had this, and I loved vacuuming her living room with it. She's like, Bunky, you better quit with that thing. You're just going to wear out my carpet. Do you guys remember the plastic runway stuff people would put on their carpet, and you had to stay on there so you wouldn't, you know, it was like a carpet protector? It was like a walkway from her door through the living room, through the dining room, to the kitchen. You had to stay on the plastic. Huh. Anyway, here we go. Hoover Convertible Elite. I think it's a beautiful. So you got the adjustment here on the front. Low, normal, high, and shag. Come on, that'll give the date away. Shag. Yes, you got a headlight. Yes, and a bumper. Yes, looking good. Handle release. And that'll help you pick up the front or go low. That works. So it's on low, normal, high, shag. Okay, that's working. Uh-oh. Now that I got it on shag, it doesn't want to go back. Uh-oh. Are we in trouble now? Well, we're going to work on that in a second. Let's look at the underneath and see why aren't we moving. Where's it at? Here it is. Oh wow, that definitely needs some oiling. Yeah, it's very clean under here. Look at this. Very nice. There's the. You want to let's pause it. Hoover cleaner. Model U4109-001. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 4.7 amps. The wheels are very nice. All clean. I think this came from a collector. Brush roll in excellent condition. Stiff bristles. The beater bars are not all dented up and rusty. All right, this person must have been a collector because this is in excellent condition. Let me look at that. Very nice. Okay. Fan looks in good condition. It's not all torn up. Now there is some fluff, but that is turning very, very nicely. All right, put that back on. All right. So it looks like there is a screw popping out. I wonder why that is. I think they just forgot to tighten it down. Yep. So yeah, someone's had this apart and taken care of it. Because this is all very clean and shiny. The only problem is I don't know how to get this to go back up. Huh. I was hoping by pressing on it I hate this part. There we go. There we go. All right. Let's put it on normal. All right, so let's see if we can. There we go, so you can see it. Let's see if we can put this together. Now I know this has to go through. Wait a minute. Oops, I put that on backwards. Why didn't you guys stop me? You should have said, Bunky, come on. There we go. Perfect. This is what happens when you're kind of excited. Come on, cord, get out the way. Come on. Oh. Ha ha! There we go. We're cooking with some steam now. Do not over tighten. I'm so happy that they remembered to screw. A couple times, you know, they forget. Okay. Well, that one was easy, huh? Don't over tighten. Okay. Now, we have a nice handle on it. Yay! Now, let's put this aside for a second. Let's see if we can get, now he did give us some bags. Does anyone know if, that don't look right at all. Nope. Does anyone know if you can get or make a HEPA bag out of, or one that you know of that fits? That would be cool. Because I'd much rather have a HEPA bag in here than the paper bag, but right now it's all I have. So it's what we're going to use. Now these are not my favorite. Just doesn't look right. Just doesn't look right, my friends, but we're going to see. We are going to see. We are going to see this together. All right. There we go. All right, let's see if it's going to blow up on us, people. If it does, well, it sounds good, but I don't think we have any airflow in this bag. Nope, because it's blowing all the dirt. Because I didn't open the bag, you idiot. This is what happens when you're in a hurry and just want to play with a vacuum cleaner. Know what I mean? Oh, the sound and the rumble of that vacuum. It clamps down though. I had to bring it up another notch because it's clamping down on the carpet. All right. Let's do a little demo. Let's see how it's going to handle our rice. Because we're definitely going to see some jumping of some rice kernels, because that vibration is going to be pretty strong. We'll get you down on the floor. Okay, so we are on the high setting, and we're going to do that standard one sweep forward and back. It's amazing how it is actually pulling the carpet up. Well, but as you can see, we have that, what do you call that in the middle? The line of shame. So that's just the center of the brush bar or beater bar. That's where the belt is. So that's the way the machine is designed. And there's nothing we could do about that except vacuum it up. That's just amazing. Yeah, I put it all the way up on shag because it was actually pulling the carpet up and sucking in there, and it was pretty cool just to see that happen. But now I got it stuck back on shag. There we go. It needs a touch of grease or oil on there because that is running very smooth. Huh. There we go. So let me get my phone and I'll bring you back up so we can finish this. Okay. Here we go. Let's pull it up. Vintage Hoover convertible U4109-00, and the rest cut off, but I already told you what it was. Let's see what it had to say about it. I've decided to let this one go for my vacuum collection. I can't keep them all. This is the plastic-based version of the U4109. My best guess is this is from 2001. Extension means plastic base. This is just a guess because I am not a huge Hoover historian. Overall, the vacuum runs great, motor runs smooth and quiet, and has quite a nice hum. This is one of the quietest semi-modern plastic-based convertibles that I have. Has a good belt, leaves nice carpet lines, see pictures, excellent running machine. So it doesn't say anything about the cord, but let's take a look. And yes, it does. It has two pictures of the cord like that. So yes, it does. Now, tell me, let's see. Let's see what this says. So I paid $91 for this. That includes shipping. You tell me what you think. Yeah, you can find these sometimes at a yard sale, sometimes at you know, a secondhand store or whatever. I did this because it did come from a collector, and from the pictures and all, it looks like it's been taken care of. But you know what? I just don't like the way the bag is. So let me know if there's a way I can convert that over. I would love to do that to so I could use a HEPA bag. Now I saw on one of the other YouTube channels where they took the hose in the back here, because it comes up here, the back, you know, the exits here. This is where the bag connects. They took it off down here and put a regular bag. I don't like that idea. I like the idea that it's top filled, so the dirt comes in and falls to the bottom and fills up that way versus the other way around. So I'm open to ideas and suggestions. I would love to keep it original because I love it the way it is. That's my only complaint. And I might try to relocate a new cord for it. Other than that, it is in excellent condition. Those bristles on here are very stiff, and you could hear it digging into the carpet. It just clamped right down onto it. I wish it had a dial adjustment. Remember like the old singers would have, where you can dial in, or like the Royal Classics, you know how in the back you can kind of dial it into the exact height that you need. That would be perfect on here because I'm stuck right between high and shag. It would be perfect. I think high is a little too low and shag is too high up. So I'm kind of stuck in the middle, you know, kind of like life. But there you go. What a great piece of machinery. Put this back on here loosely but purposely. It's clear that this thing has been cleaned and taken care of because when it runs, it smells so good. It doesn't have that old vintage, rusty, moldy dust, you know. But there you go. What do you think? I'm loving it. Anyway, it's that burnt orange brown color, you know, back in the day when things were shag and hippie and all that kind of stuff. But there you go. I'll take care of it, baby. I'll take care of you. Thanks for coming along. I greatly appreciate it. Any information you can give me on this, I would appreciate that too. Let me know if you have anything to talk about this bag situation, if we can make it a little better. Thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe and join the Bunky Workshop team. All right, talk to you soon.